I'ma come on too strong all my life. I've been living in the fast lane, can't slow down. I'm a rolling freight train. One more time, gotta start all over. Can't slow down, I'm a lone red rover.
Is there actually a guy with double L carnets? Please tell me there's not. Oh, we're screwed. Double L9 kid, meet my pistol that has a freaking suppressor. If it's one, we're fine. We're okay. I'm surprised they haven't even secured C yet. Really, you only have one kill, but you're in first place. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. I have 4 kills. I just died again. I'm going 4 and 4. Because this pistol has no freaking ammo. Really? I'm annoyed. You're gonna kill somebody. You're gonna get kicked or something. You're gonna kill our teammates. William, I got 7 direct hits in one game. I got 7 of them. I got 7 of them in one game. That was awesome. I said 7 of them. Direct hits. 1. I stuck it in there. I stuck it, William, because William, you know why? You know how I got 7? Because somebody had a Wraith and was making them sit in their spawn the whole game, and then I stuck a Rolling Thunder in, and it just destroyed them all. Oh my God, this pistol. Why is this? William, look at the score. We're beating them 60-8. No, they just suck. They just suck. There's a guy around by C. Oh, teammate killed him. Dang it. As soon as I try to stun the guy, he freaking tries to rush me. Dude, who does? It's awkward to not have your fingers on the trigger. I have some locked fire break. I think I got last kill. Yeah, did I? Yeah, I did. William, watch. I saw this guy on the minimap. I'm like, oh. I saw this guy on the minimap. I turn in. I saw that guy on the minimap sitting in that corner. So I was running and go, boop, boop. He's probably raging like, how do you know I was there? He's hacking. I'm sure he's raging like that. It's called a UAV, dude. Oh, we only had a UAV up, but I saw his blip not move in the corner, so I'm like, okay, he's dead. I'm like, hey, that guy's a dead man. He destroyed. Grenade in their spawn. My grenade just saved me. Oh, really? Oh, that is annoying. I was going to get my care package, too. There's a guy camping our spawn with an innate. Sorry, one XR2 is like the same thing. No, it's an XR2, dude. The XR2 is about the exact same. It's OP. It's just like the M8, basically. Hey, you know somebody got Dark Matter in 48 hours? They were the people who got to She's Master first. Yeah. It was more like 6 of them who played on the exact same account. Oh. Oh, get hit fired, kid. Oh my god, I would have killed both those guys if he wasn't using a freaking Draken. He just sat there spraying the shit out of me. Spraying the shit out of me. I ran past that. I ran past that thing. No, William. No, I didn't die from it. I was using an A60 and I just ran past him like, wait, what the heck? I thought it was going to kill me because... The first sprayer. Who's obviously alive, though. We're destroying these guys. Oh, wow. That guy's used that. I just got corpse launched. I love how I'm doing better than William and I'm using a pistol. What are you using? What's the point of playing objective if we have all 3 objectives? I just got a double kill with a pistol. There's a guy in our spawn. There's spawn on top of him and killed him. I got VP again. What? Yeah, you're using our... Come on. Oh, you should have died. That guy's annoying. Oh no, it's just 20 bucks I die from it. I love this pistol. And my MR6 leveled up 3 times this game. What is it? These guys suck. Oh, that guy should have killed me earlier than that. Oh my god, this guy with the sprayer is annoying. Oh my god, that was so awesome. Oh, William, I should have came in first place, but I got no captures. I'm salty. William, you suck. Come on, dude. Right? 16 and... What were you doing that game? William, tell me what you're doing. Not using a pistol. Not using a pistol. Those guys were bad. No, I'm not using Dark Matter. I know, I'm sorry. I'm not using Gem. I'm using Ice. I'm using Ice on it. William, it doesn't let me. There it is. There's it.
When everything